DJI have just released a new firmware update for the Osmo Mobile 6, which brings some really cool features. Let's get into it. So the latest firmware update for the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is version 01.06.02.10. It's available right now. So to actually go and get this, all you need to do is make sure you have the latest DJI Mimo app on your phone. Make sure that's fully updated. Turn your phone on, open up the DJI Mimo app, turn your gimbal on, and then you'll get a notification on screen asking you to update to this latest firmware. So what are these new features? Well, the first one, and probably the most exciting, this is going to be perfect for solo creators, is that you can now control the Osmo Mobile 6 with your Apple Watch. So once you've got the latest firmware, you will see the DJI Mimo app on your watch as well. If you don't see it on your watch straight away, all you need to do is go into your phone, go under Apple Watch, and then under apps, make sure DJI Mimo is installed. And this is really cool because it gives you control of this gimbal and the phone directly from your watch as well. So you can get a live feed, so you can see exactly what that camera is seeing. You can change the orientation just by pressing the button on here, but you've also got loads of other controls as well, all from this Apple Watch. And you can adjust the camera movements just by simply dragging your finger on the Apple Watch screen. And as you can see, this works really great and nice and responsive. So if you're talking to the camera, this is going to be really handy. You could have the phone on a gimbal in a static place. You could walk around, move to different places, and then simply just reframe by dragging your finger and your Apple Watch. You can also change the composition if you want to get some vertical shots just by hitting the orientation button in the corner, and this will then switch it from portrait to landscape. And you can also take photos and videos just by actually going onto your Apple Watch, swiping to the right hand side. This will open up the photo mode, so I can take a photo, or if I swipe to the left, I can hit record and I can stop and start recording, again, all from my Apple Watch. And you can also start Active Track as well directly from your Apple Watch. You just tap the tracking button on the right hand side, and then you can get a preview on your watch showing you with a green box around your head whilst the gimbal is fully tracking you as well. And then after that, any photos and videos that you've taken on your phone, you can now preview them just by hitting the preview button, and then you can swipe across and see exactly what you've taken photos or videos of. So you don't even have to like touch the phone, you don't have to go near it. You can be some distance away and do all of these controls and actually preview everything all from your watch. Really cool. And the Active Track 6.0 has also had an update, and now this has been improved and locked onto much better than it does before. Even if it's actually tracking you and another person gets in your way, it actually keeps lock onto you now much better. It even works in really tricky situations where you've got really different backgrounds behind you, different lighting scenarios. The tracking function on here, the way it sticks to you is a lot better. And of course you can still see that all from your Apple Watch as well. And the final update is to do with the actual AI editor on the DJI Mimo app. So you can go out for the day, you can shoot loads of different video clips, and the edit on here will actually edit it automatically for you. You might not have the knowledge about how to edit all of these clips together, or simply you just don't have the time. This will edit all of your clips together and give you this created montage at the end of it. And you can then further customize it if you want. You can choose any of the different scenes, the different styles, and each one of these will give you an overall different look with different text fonts and different music as well. With this firmware update, it's also been improved, so the actual end result that you're going to get is going to be created much better than before. So everything is going to be like a final result that you can then share to social media, whereas before you might have got a decent result, but you would have to then go and edit a couple of videos that didn't really make sense, or you weren't too happy with the overall music choice, whereas now the actual results are a lot better. So especially for beginners or somebody who wants fast edits, this is a really nice feature that we now have on this firmware update. And it's also got a parent and kid mode. Let's just say you've got really small children, you want to actually capture some memories with them, but you don't want to actually grab this and have it in their face and be more focused on the actual filming and looking at this camera than you are actually spending time with your child. So what this means is you can actually put the gimbal to the side and the software will handle all the different camera panning movements for you. So you can actually be focused on creating these memories with your child, but the gimbal will actually automatically pan, keeping you focused and centered all the time. This is a really convenient feature, especially if you have young children. This is going to be really useful for you. So really cool update there on the Osmo Mobile 6. Filming on your phone now, it's so convenient and fun. You can get fantastic results, but by using a gimbal, you're going to get even better results. The stabilization is going to be perfect. You can use features that you can't do without a gimbal, like motion hyperlapses that look fantastic, different gimbal motions. So overall, this is really good, and it's even better now. I love the integration with the Apple Watch. That is really handy. So this update's available right now. 100% recommend you go and actually update this if you've got an Osmo Mobile 6. Really cool update. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video there. If you did, just do me a favor and hit that like button. It really does help out. Subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.